The 2012 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, running boards, power driver's seat, power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, airbags, dual airbags. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.